Hi, let's talk about money today. I'm not a great expert in investing. I just want to talk about what I've experienced in about investing and having your money work for you instead of you working for money, and investing in the stock market. Like if you go to one of my other videos and I just show you a small video of what I'm doing with a small amount of money I've invested in the stock market in one of the trading apps I've joined, and it's doing very, very well. But within the experience I've had with investing and going through a lot of catastrophes around the world, such as COVID-19, the Ukraine, and Russia, Brexit, and the economy crisis, and all sorts of crises what's been going off around the world, and big headlines on the news and in the newspapers that there's a crash coming and the world's economy is falling and dropping and blah blah blah, all negative news which could stop you from investing if you're the type of person what watches the news and have the news make you make a decision about investing in the stock market. Well, money does not follow the news. Let me repeat that phrase again. Money does not follow the news. I actually thought that as a beginner that some books and some investing information actually tells you to keep your eye on the news, keep your eye on the newspapers, and have a look to see what the world's doing, or even have a look for opportunities. Well, in my experience, what I've had so far, that does not count where money's concerned. In fact, when COVID-19 hit, the FTSE 100 were doing quite well. In fact, it goes up and down. It's not controlled by the bad news. It's not controlled. A little bit might be. A few investors, beginning investors who invest on looking at the news and pull out and sell out when there's bad news. But they're the minority. The big players it doesn't matter about what the news is saying. They most concentrated on making money within the market. That's all they're bothered about. They don't really listen to the news. This is my experience and this is my opinion. I could be wrong. It's just what I'm finding. And I found that when there's bad news on the TV and in the newspapers, the markets were just carrying on as it's always been doing, going up, going down, and going up. The headlines was not affecting the market whatsoever. So, as I said, money does not follow the news. So what I do is I don't follow the news to invest my money. I invest my money for the long term. I'm not a short term. I just invest it. I need to get into the market. That's way of my investing, is I need to be in the market to play the game and keep in the game and make my money work for me. I like the idea of money working for me. And that's what I do with my investment. I just put it into the investments and just leave it there. And I'm a lazy investor. I don't really look at it. I don't really watch the news a lot for the headlines, and I just keep checking it now and again. Yes, sometimes I go and I see it's gone down 1%, and I think, oh, well, it's gone down, doesn't really matter. And then I look in a few weeks after, and then it's gone up. So it's basically going up, really, to be honest with you. In the 2 or 3 years I've been investing, my portfolio has gone up, and my money is working for me, and my money's in the green, not the red. It started in the red at first, but then it just sort of took off, and I left it there, and now it's gone up. So to invest, try not to listen to the news or watch the news or read the newspapers to make your decision to start investing or in getting investing. As I said and repeat again, money does not follow the news. Quick video about investing. As I said, I'm not an expert. I'm not giving out financial advice in this video. I'm just telling you what I do with my experience along the entrepreneur journey with finance and money. And remember, take care of each other. Bye-bye.